Why does the phantom falconer fly with invisible birds? Well, imagine if you had a magic wand that could make things disappear. The phantom falconer has a special whistle that makes his falcons invisible. He uses it to surprise everyone at the Big Bird Show. But here's the twist: the falcons aren't really invisible. They just fly so fast nobody can see them. It's like when you spin around really fast and everything becomes a blur. So the next time you see a blur in the sky, it might just be the phantom falconer's speedy falcons.